Okay, good morning, sir. Today we will make a conversation about the news that viral that Indonesian that cannot to qualify to World Cup. It's match Indonesia versus Saudi Arabia. Okay, now let's start the conversation.
Number one question. In your opinion, should the Indonesia national team be able to qualify for the World Cup without having to go to round 5?
I cannot definitely say whether the Indonesian national team should be able to qualify for the World Cup without having to go to round 5. Whether or not the Indonesian national team qualifies for the World Cup that depends on many factors, including the team's performance, the strategies implemented, and the results of other teams' matches.
Uh, Next question. What prevents the Indonesia national team from stealing points when playing against Saudi Arabia and Iraq? Why?
I cannot definitely say that I say what prevented the Indonesian national team from stealing points when playing against Saudi Arabia and Iraq. A team's performance in a football match is influenced by many factors, such as team strategy, players' physical condition, and the quality of the opponent.
Next question. What is your opinion about Pence tactic that did not work when playing against Saudi Arabia? Why?
Okay. Uh, I cannot provide a specific opinion about Patrick's tactics that didn't work when playing against Saudi Arabia. The success of failure of a tactic in football depends greatly on its implementation on the field and the response from the opposing team.
Next question. When facing Saudi Arabia, why were there no tactical change babak 2 until of Indonesia game was clear?
Again and again I cannot provide a reason why there were no tactical change in the second half when facing Saudi Arabia. The decisions to change tactics or not is the coach's prerogative, who considers many factors during the match.
Next question. Why did a player like Mark Klok become a starting line 2 up even though the full game when facing performance was clearly Mark Klok performance was really not good? Why?
I I cannot provide a reason why player like Mark Klok became a starting lineup and play the full game when facing Saudi Arabia. Player selection and playing duration are the coach decisions based on an assessment of the player performance, tactical needs, and physical condition.
Next question. What was Patrick Kluivert reason for including Tom Haye in the second half? Why? Tom Haye in the second half. Why?
Um, yeah, I again and again I cannot provide a specific reason why Patrick Kluivert included Tom Haye in the second half. Player substitution are strategies employed by the coach to change the dynamics of the game, increase intensity of provide opportunities for other players.
Next question. In your opinion, what is the solution from the Federation of the Indonesian national team felt and Coach Patrick and team were fired?
The federation must conduct a true evaluation of the training program, player selection, and national team strategy. In addition, the federation needs to find a coach who has a clear vision and the ability to build a solid and competitive team.
Oh yes. Evaluation.
Yes.
Next question. In your opinion, should Sintayong return?
Yes, Shin Tae-yong should return to the Timnas. Because Shin Tae-yong has demonstrated his ability to improve the performance of the Indonesian national team and has strong support from players and fans.
Yes. Sintayong return. Last question. In your opinion, who is worthy to fill the vacant national team coach seat?
In my opinion, some names that are worth considering are coaches who have experience coaching of the international level and have a successful track record in building teams. For example, coach from Europe, of Latin America, who have a modern and adaptive playing style.
Oh, coach was born America Latin.
Yes, in
Europe. Not Asia.
No, maybe I think the coach from Europe is more have more the experience, the skill, the knowledge. They have more than Asian.
Sintayong from Asia.
Yeah, but if we compare that Sintayong or the coach from Europe, coach from Europe is more, it's more have a value, yeah, more than Sintayong. But Indonesian just cannot afford a coach from the Europe, and that's why they choose Sintayong to be a coach in the national team. National team in in Indonesian.
Yes, thank you. Is the answer.
Okay, so that's all our conversation about Indonesian that cannot qualify to World Cup. That's very sad, but yeah, it's okay. Just take the positive. Don't take too much sadly. Just move on, and we more improve our coach, our team skill.
And evaluation.
Yeah,
Evaluation.
of course, evaluation is
Evaluation.
more important. Okay, maybe that's all. Thank you, sir, and sorry if our English, our pronunciation, our grammar that it's not good enough. We're really sorry. Thank you.